I'm gonna rip this shit off, bro. To go lean, that's the thing.
The AMR's in the 10s.
It's running good.
It's running good, right? So
yeah.
I'll tell you what it's at. 10. It's at 10 right now.
It was like low 11s. I mean, that's still good for me, but it's supposed to be in the low 11s.
Drop into like 5th. Or tip in to the throttle. Okay. Low valve is crazy.
It sounds great.
Let's pull over at the gas station and look at it.
Stretch tires, I'm trying to push that.
Yeah, in the curve?
Yeah, see it though.
I didn't see nothing. The whole time it was straight pin. Let me look at the gauge, because this is going to read slower than the gauge. If you're really looking over here.
I don't even know if you can see through my tent, bro. That was my fender.
Oh, but still.
Yo, watch out, bro. What just happened? I don't know, I scared on something. It's logging, right?
Yep. Was
actual calipers and everything for 900 painted.
Really?
Online on the website they do it. Cause I need brakes, bro.
Yeah.
At the shop showed me a big brake kit that cost $6,000.
That's way too much
Keto.
money. Damn. Yo, this shit fast as fuck.
It's just slow. I don't know where I'm going.
You don't gotta be humble for
Yo, it's so crazy.
Sounds crazy.
I thought that was dead squirrels, bro. That's a fucking wig. Yo.
They're rocking in this ain't got no tags.
Yo. I got tags. Chill out.
Louis bags. Exchange for body bags.
Yo. That was a flame. That's what. Yeesh. I don't know, bro. We on Dean Road. That's all.
What is that? Dang.
Oh, spider! What the f?
Whoa, whoa! Yo, kill that bro. Yo, bro. Did you see?
Did you see that shit? That nigga dangled in front of my fucking face.
Yeah.
I thought shit was sweet. It was, bro. Nah, how I got him out the car that fast? You seen that? That was good.
Not playing.
That was good,
The
bro.
car did not play. It's crazy. With the AC? Yo, this car's lit for real.
Fire.
Oh, it sounds. Yo, with the windows up, it's a totally different vibe.
Totally different. I'll let you hear that spool up. Slow, it changes the sound. Feel me? I can, you feel me?
Oh, wait. God damn. 14, 9, 14 to 12, say. Get it. Space shuttle, like I feel like I was going to Mars, bro.
I'm not gonna lie, I love the turbo feel, bro. Like,
Yo,
it's fun, dude.
Yeah,
It's fun, bro.
when that wastegate opens
It's
up,
fun. Yes, bro.
Oh, I did this to myself. Yo, literally, I have nothing in my pockets no more. God damn.
Yo.
Crazy, look.
Funny, oh, shit. Look at that. It's like a bike.
Whoa. Is that the girl on a Hayabusa?
That's how you bro. Chill out.
Imagine them.
Pay attention where I'm going.
Yeah, I'd be like, so the torque, bro, like the G-force. Alright, being stupid.
Watch me shit in fashion.
Yo.
Did you see their face?
Yo, I didn't see it.
Oh my god.
Which way do I go?
They were pressed, bro.
They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. I done drop a couple for them maggots. You can talk a lot, but it get tragic. From New York, so we making it happen. Why they try to keep me on my balance? Niggas really tryna copy patterns. We was making them plays out the dark. I don't rap, but I'm leaving my mark. Play it hard like I'm playing guitar.